Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build your Etsy store. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be is to go to your Etsy website. So in the web browser, you will need just to type etsy.com so you can access the Etsy website. Now you will be needing to start having a seller account. So you will need just to click on your account, and from here you will find like sell with Etsy. So simply you will need just to click on sell on Etsy and then the process of creating a store would start. So click on get started and from here you will need just click on let's do this. You will need to add these questions. You can skip or you can simply click on next. You will choose whatever you want to think you'd like help with so they can start sending you like tutorials or forms, articles, etc. You can also skip this question or click on next and then you can start your shop. So by clicking on start your shop, you will be able to start adding your shop language, shop country, shop currency, and then you will go to the name of the shop. Then you can stock your shop, and of course you will choose your payment methods, and you will add your billing information like the billing address and your card numbers, etc. And then you can add your shop security by turning on the 2FA, etc. So basically, after you finish all these steps, you will need just to click on Save Continue, you submit your request, and you will have your Etsy store that will be created. So basically, this is how you can build your Etsy store on the Etsy platform. Thank you for watching and see you next time.